My dog is absolutely printing cash on TikTok Shop. So she made just about 10K in commissions on TikTok Shop in the last month and a half. And I'll throw up a couple screenshots on this video. So I decided to test something a few months ago. So I started a TikTok Shop account that I had, but I wasn't really doing much with it, to switch to do dog products with my golden retriever Luna. And so now in November, that account has done over $57,000 in GMV and over 4 million views in November. And so far this month, it's December 19th as of the time we're recording this, and it's done over 24K in GMV and over 1 million views. And in the last 7 days alone, her page has made 1.5K in commission. And honestly, I'm not even posting on it every single day. I haven't even really posted because it's been a fun little side project and I didn't actually ramp it up until November. Now, before you think, oh, Kade already has experience, so of course it worked. That is exactly my point. The fundamentals of creating TikTok Shop content that sell products stay the same no matter what niche that you're in, whether it's dog products, whatever it's makeup or whatever. You know, it doesn't matter even if it's tech or even if it's dog treats, a literal dog treat with your golden retriever, the actual system itself doesn't change. And so I want to show you the exact results from Luna's account, how we did it, and why this proves that if you follow the fundamentals I teach, you can actually make this work in literally any niche. So if you are new here, my name is Kade Wiley, and I help people build consistent 5-figure and sometimes multi-5-figure monthly income as affiliates on TikTok Shop. So if you're already a subscriber, welcome back. So the whole reason that this even started in the first place, I've got more TikTok Shop accounts than I have time and I'm able to even post on. So, you know, in total, I probably have like 7 or 8, 9, something like that across 2 different phones. But this account, it was sitting there. I wasn't really doing anything with it because obviously you can't post on all 9 TikTok Shop accounts. There's just physically not enough time in the day. So, and this account sitting there, and in the beginning when TikTok Shop, you know, even like 8 to 10 months ago, there wasn't a ton of dog niche, dog related products. And so over time though, that category began to rise and rise, and you had some better brands actually coming on the platform that I was able to post. And so that's what led me to be like, okay, well, let me see if, you know, I can get a pet page going, right? So, and pretty quickly I got traction with it. And what do you know? Again, it's the same exact principles that I do on my same videos, but applying and using my dog Luna. And she's in every single video. I'll throw up some screenshots there. Like one of the top comments on one of the most viral videos was literally a sticker of her. And that's the funniest part, is like when you're doing content with dogs in it, people inherently want to comment, right? Where everybody else, they'll be super negative for you and they'll just tell you to go kick rocks and, you know, go get a real job, whatever that means. But whereas when you're promoting pet products, people are like actually putting funny comments. Like the most common ones had like 600 likes or something like that. It was a sticker of Luna in the actual comments. And so that's one of the biggest differentiators that I thought was hilarious. Look, the reason Luna's account works is not because dogs are some sort of secret winning niche, although it does help. But at the end of the day, it works because I'm actually applying the exact same fundamentals that I teach every single person that I work with in my mentorship program. The same research process, the same scripting framework, the exact same data analysis, right? And so that's what my students learn when they actually work with me. It's not stuff that works once, it's the fundamentals, the literal fundamentals of making sales and making money that work, whether you're promoting beauty, tech, or just stupid dog treats. It literally doesn't matter. So we do weekly coaching calls where I actually help you apply these fundamentals to your specific situation, your specific niche, your specific account. The reality is most students, they hit their stride by month 3 because they're following a proven system and not trying to just reinvent the wheel, right? So if you actually do want to discuss how the system works and how it can work for your niche, your account, the link is in the description to book a call. So anyways, let me show you some of the results from Luna's account. The same way that I chose this product for Luna, because we were doing some other products before and they were doing well, but this one that we did recently was the one that completely took off, and we were the #1 affiliate. Luna was the #1 affiliate for it out of, you know, basically 50, 60, 70, 80 other people, because again, we're applying the same frameworks. And what you'll realize is everybody else, when they make these videos, they don't apply these actual frameworks. And if you're confused about what frameworks I'm talking about, there's a ton of other videos on it. But consistently, I'm applying problems to dog-based products, and Luna is in every single video. And so the exact hook that I used, again, I talk about how do I actually come up with these hooks, was something along the lines of, these are putting microplastics in your dog's stomach. So what I did not do was I didn't start shoving the product down people's faces. And there's a reason why, you know, we were the #1 affiliate for that specific product, because everybody else is just shoving stuff down people's faces. I brought up a painful problem that people can relate to without shoving it down people's faces. And what do you know? That's what allowed me and Luna to become the top affiliate for that specific product. And so the point that I'm trying to make with this video, as ridiculous it is, obviously you clicked on the video, you're like, what in the world? There's a dog doing TikTok Shop. But at the end of the day, it's the same framework and the same principles, the same way that I found the product, the same way that I did research, the same way that I did all these other things is the exact same way. And so for so many people, they get lost on TikTok Shop. And for me and a lot of the people that I work with now, TikTok Shop becomes very boring because it doesn't matter the niche. It doesn't matter whether it's a human or a dog. It's the exact same principles that allow you to make consistent, repeatable money on TikTok Shop. And I'm following the exact same system, just moving it over to a different niche. Time and time again, it doesn't matter whether it's dog products, it doesn't matter whether it's makeup. People buy, or dogs rather, make decisions and buy because it solves a problem for what they, you know, have. It solves a painful problem and avoids a painful painful problem. And it was the same case for dogs. And so many people have this excuse of, oh, this niche doesn't work. And yes, are there better niches than others? Yes, for sure. For example, I'm not a huge fan of the clothing niche, but outside of that, every single niche you can make money. You just have to apply the right framework and the principles. So many people have this excuse of, oh, it's the niche, it's that, it's that, it's that. There's no other excuse other than you don't have the right frameworks, you don't have the right principles, you don't have the exact reason and logic for why all this stuff is working or is not working. So once you learn the frameworks and the principles, you can take it to any niche, whether it's dogs, whether it's something else, and you will never not be able to make money on TikTok Shop ever again. Like, I will probably run up this account for most of 2026 and see what we can do with it, because there's a big gap in the market, and most people that are making dog products and dog niche kind of stuff are pretty bad in terms of quality of the videos, and we're going to fix that and make as much money as we can on this specific account, as well as obviously the other accounts. So that is the complete breakdown of Luna's TikTok Shop account. Over 50K in GMV, 3 to 5K per month consistently over the last couple months, and more importantly, proof that the fundamentals work regardless of what niche that you're in. So the biggest lesson here is not go start a dog account, go get a dog, which I mean, it might work out, but she does pay rent now. So the lesson is that actually if you follow the system, you have proper product research, you have consistent content creation, data-driven decisions, you will get results no matter what you're actually promoting. And the reality is, most people fail because they're looking for some sort of secret niche or magic product category, when in all reality, what you need to do is just master the fundamentals that actually work everywhere. So again, at the end of the day, you can keep searching for the perfect niche and just hoping that something is the missing piece, wasting months overthinking instead of actually executing and fixing the fundamentals of why you're not making money in the first place, right? The fundamentals are what gets you to build a real income with, whatever products, whatever niche that you're actually going to promote in. So in the 6-month mentorship program, I teach everybody these exact same fundamentals, the fundamentals I've been doing for 2 years now. So, and more importantly, we actually apply them to your specific niche, in your specific situations. You're going to get direct feedback on your content, your product selection, everything. So the reason my students are succeeding in all sorts of different categories, from beauty to fitness to pet products, you name it, is because the system has been proven to work over and over again. And after this one, I don't know how it could be any more clear that it's the same things over and over again. If you're serious about making this work and want to see how these fundamentals actually apply to your niche specifically, click the link in the description to book a call with us. And if you do want to see how this complete system is broken down from A to Z, make sure you actually click here to watch the free course. And that is the foundation of everything, the foundation I talk about in this video. So anyways, subscribe for more TikTok Shop strategies. Give Luna some love in the comments, because what other person can say that their dog pays rent on TikTok Shop? And I'll see you guys in the next video.